How to crop a portion of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Select New Project. Give your project name here. To change your location, select Browse. Keep the settings same, then select OK. Right click on the project panel and select Import to import files. Select Files and then select Open. If you move the cursor on the video file, you will see the inside frames of the video. Double click on the video or hold and drag it to the source panel. Here is a bird jumping in the video and I want only the jump portion. Hold the marker and use brackets to select the portion. There are two brackets, start bracket and end bracket. Watch carefully how it works. To drag only video of the portion, select drag audio only icon and leave it to the main panel. Without audio only, the marked portion has come. To bring both audio and video of the portion, hold the video of the source panel and drag it to the main panel. I am taking only the jump portion of the bird. You can only bring the audio from the icon drag only video. Select the drag only video and leave it to the main panel. Select file and then select export. Select media. Select file format from here. Select location to export. Now select export. Here is the exported video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.